What if you could paste your meeting transcript or bullet points and get a presentation that looks like McKinsey or Apple designed it? That is the core promise of Chronicle AI. Chronicle AI is an online presentation maker designed for professional teams, and it is trusted by more than 5,000 teams according to the Chronicle HQ website. You start from anywhere, paste raw notes, outlines, meeting documents, or even an existing deck, and Chronicle pulls everything into a single presentation. Then, with Click, it generates slides that include professional diagrams, charts, and visuals, while keeping your brand fonts, colors, and rules. There are 4 Chronicles pricing tiers with free at $0 per month, offering unlimited documents and widgets, 300 tokens per month, content rewrite, basic themes, web publishing, PDF and social exports, and 1 guest editor, while Pro at $15 per user per month adds 750 tokens, unlimited AI models. Watermark removal, shared workspace, consolidated billing up to 10 twart, color workspace, editors and more export options, plus at $30 per user per month includes everything in Pro plus 1,500 tokens, agentic workflows, advanced AI image models, template saving, custom fonts and themes, PPT export and unlimited guest editors, and the popular Max plan at $59 per user per month provides 5,000 tokens along with advanced custom branding, page setup and priority support. See you later, my dear.